ready?
So we have a problem.
What do you mean?
Come look. It's we have a situation on the other side of the camper.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. What happened?
So it's like the bottom of the camper is falling out, and now the insulation and everything's showing.
Did we hit something?
I don't think so. I think just the plastic is coming unscrewed and it slipped out.
Look. Oh my god.
See, it just came unbolted.
Oh Lord.
It also didn't help. They only put 4 bolts in the whole side to hold the bottom on.
Did they? So we need more. Do you have some?
I do have some.
Oh.
But we're about an hour away from our campground, and we gotta at least fix it good enough to get there, and then we'll figure out how to fix it the right way once we get there.
Okay, sounds good.
Don't you love travel day problems?
This is up there with one of our biggest ones, I'd say. This right here, you having everything super handy is why I married you. You're very organized. I'm glad we didn't have to spend 30 minutes in an argument looking for the tools you need to get the job done.
Well, I have them here for this reason, but I hope to never have to use them.
Well, today you get to use them. So
Let's go see if we can make this better.
oh my. I'm glad it wasn't raining.
I'm glad we weren't dragging it for long.
Yeah. This is why you do a walk around every time you stop the trailer. Just to make sure. Oh my. Is that in the trash?
That's probably important. See, look right here?
What is it?
It just pulled out of the screw holes.
Oh, I see. This stuff feels like cardboard.
It's like a cardboard plastic.
Oh my. They could do better than that.
They could. Okay. So, I'm gonna need you to get underneath here and push this up while I try to screw it back together.
Are you being serious?
Dead serious. I can't hold it up and screw it. What are you doing?
I'm doing some maintenance.
Just some maintenance?
Some general RV maintenance.
Alright, can you push up right there?
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna get this fixed. We'll be right back.
You can come up now.
You don't need to do anything about this.
We'll have to fix it when we get there.
Okay.
We just need to get down the road, and then we can figure out how to fix it the right way.
Are we gonna worry about the other side?
We are gonna address that when we get over there.
Okay. I didn't know I was supposed to wear my work clothes on travel day today.
Always should wear work clothes on a travel day with an RV.
You actually do always put clothes in the back in case you need to change. I think you're smart for that.
You never know what's gonna happen when this thing goes down the road.
Because now I get to travel dirty.
We do have all your clothes right here. You can go change if you want. So as you can see, I went ahead and put screws in almost every hole. They only had like 4 or 5 screws the entire run of this 16-foot section, and I put about 20 more in there. So hopefully that'll last. We can start our next stop.
Okay, so now are we ready?
Hopefully we're ready to go.
I hope so too.
We only have a little bit left, and we should be at the campground, and then we'll see what we need to do.
Okay, let's not repeat what just happened.
All right, we made it to the campground, and it looks like the bottom survived. It's still up there. So we survived. It's still all bolted up. Now I'm gonna run to town and figure out what we can do to make this permanent.
Okay.
I did a little research and I found out that the bottom of the camper is actually called chloroplast, and it's like a plastic cardboard, and it's not uncommon for it to fall off, and it falls off for 2 reasons. 1, there's not enough fasteners put in from the factory to hold it, and 2, there's no support for it in the middle, so there's nothing to hold it up in the middle, and eventually it starts drooping and catching wind and rips like we had today. The guys online are building support beams out of unistrut and angle iron to run from frame rail to frame rail to help support it in the middle. I'm on my way to the local Lowe's to see what they got, to see if we can make this work for us.
All right, that could work. And this could also work, and I think that'll be a lot cleaner.
Looked like Lowe's had something that's gonna help us fix our problem. I found some aluminum 1.25" angle iron, so I got 4 pieces, 8 feet in length, and I think that'll do the trick.
So what'd you get?
All right, so I got these angle iron pieces,
Uh-huh.
and they should work, but I'm gonna need you to help me measure so we can figure out if we need to make any cuts. So we got to cut them at 74 1/4.
Okay. How many of these do we do?
4.
Here we go.
Let's do some cutting.
Measure twice to cut once. So now that they're cut, what are we doing?
All right, we're gonna drill some holes
Yeah.
so we can run our bolts through them.
How many holes did you decide we need?
I'm gonna do 2 per side. Okay, so we got all 4 cut and drilled. Now we're gonna lay them out under the camper so we can make some lines and drill some pilot holes in the frame so they can attach to.
So I have a question.
What's that?
Those are spaced out the right way?
All right, so the back 3 are evenly spaced.
Right. Why does this one have such a big gap between it?
Because Grand Design actually decided to put 1 bolt in the middle of there to hold it up. So I'm just splitting the difference between the front and the back in the last
Oh,
one.
I saw that when I was under there. The
Yeah.
little bolt.
They give us 1 bolt to hold the whole thing up.
It didn't work.
So I figured I'm not going to put a brace over the top of that bolt. I'll split the difference.
How was that?
Well, we have braces now.
You know what I'm glad for?
What's that?
This concrete pad we have.
I know, this could be one of those rock places.
Yeah, it wouldn't be good on gravel.
It doesn't look too terrible.
No, I think it looks good.
Here we are. We installed the cross braces, so hopefully the bottom will stay at the bottom and not drag the ground.